Welcome back, guys. I've been getting a lot of questions about budget-friendly meals, especially if you just started working out and you still want to eat healthy. I had a couple of clients of mine tell me there's no way I can eat healthy because it's so expensive. I don't have that much money. Today, I'm going to prove all that wrong. You can actually eat really healthy and you can do it on a budget. So we're going to be making overnight oats with some yogurt, some probiotic. We're going to have a lot of nuts in there and some chia seeds. We're also going to be making chicken breast. And the reason we're going with chicken breast is because a lot of newcomers, when they start working out, the first thing that they think of when it comes to healthy foods is lean meats. And chicken breast tends to be cheap and what people tend to go for. We'll have some vegetables and some white rice for some carbs and energy. Let's go ahead and get started. We got the overnight oats in the fridge ready to go for breakfast. Now we're gonna work on our chicken breast. Usually at home, I don't typically wear gloves, but since I'm doing this for you guys, make sure you clean your hands. And I usually like to wear these nitrile gloves, so because I keep touching the chicken and I'm touching other things. And when I put these gloves on, it's actually really difficult because they stick to my hand. But if you blow in it before, you can get them right on. So there you have it, guys. We have some overnight oats with some berries, some yogurt, some chia seeds, some protein powder in there. We got about 30 to 40 grams of protein per overnight oat. And then we have sweet potato, green beans, and chicken. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is sweet potatoes. It's like a superfood, guys. See, I know you guys are like, what the heck, man? You put some brown sugar in it. Guys, you gotta have a little bit of fun. A little bit of light brown sugar isn't gonna hurt you if you're eating super healthy. As long as you're not eating at Chick-fil-A or McDonald's, I think you should be in good shape. One last thing, guys, make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, and make sure you follow if you want to stay up to date with some of this content. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I can do some additional videos for you if you guys want to see me cook something else. All right, y'all.